Hey folks, Chris once again, welcome back to another video. This is another request and sign from Ricky, Mother effing Grimes, and he wanted me to react to a video called Robot Chicken Mario Kart. I do like Robot Chicken and I like Mario, so I guess it's the best of both worlds, but yeah, I'm not sure if I've seen this before, but without further ado, let's check it out. Yay!
She's a close. But which way should we go?
They look just like them though. Sorry the screen is so freaking bright, guys. I don't know how to turn the brightness down on my TV, so I apologize gratefully for the ridiculously bright TV. I just don't know how to tone the brightness down, so I don't know how, so please forgive me.
Oh, look at that! We got a flat tire! Look! A repair garage! Pull in there!
Oh god, there's a serial killer in there, isn't there?
Mamma mia! Luigi! We got a pimped out ride! We need some coins, Mario! We have no money! Leave it to me!
Whoa.
Mario! Are you okay? Oh look, it's a turtle!
Holy shit!
You just killed my turtle! Oh my god, I'm so...
You can tell it's like clay and stuff down there. It's still pretty fucked up.
Hey, what's going on here? Luigi, let's get out of here!
Mario's back alive, I guess.
Luigi, it's the princess! Princess, you must come with us!
I'll suck your for $50.
Princess! Do you accept
God damn, bro.
Come on, the princess! We got to go!
No, that's my princess.
I'm a hit! What is this?
That's blood, baby.
Oh, Mario, we need to find you some mushrooms so you can heal.
I know just the guy.
And then he was okay, though.
This is some really good, man.
He's on crack now.
I feel really good. Look at the pretty colors. I choose it. It's a fun. I feel so funny.
This is really stupid but funny. Oh my god. They're gonna die, aren't they? Wow. Just running over everybody, aren't they? Ooh. And they...
He's got a wrench. Take him down.
Wow.
He's marinating in his own ragu. You killed my brother. You sons of a bitches.
Yeah, Mario's a badass, bruh. Oh no.
You'll never take me alive. You mother.
Fuckers. Oh no, Yoshi's next, isn't he?
Raccoon City sounds lovely.
Why is he selling Benny or Meatwad? Benny left you. Oh my god. Okay. Like I said, I apologize for the overly ridiculously bright screen. Like I said, I've had this TV for years and I never knew how to turn the brightness on, so I apologize if that's annoying for you. It's annoying for me because you guys can't really see what I'm reacting to because it's so fucking bright, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyway, and that was a very cool video. Mario and Luigi get forced, and got a lot of gore in that video. Hopefully I won't get age restricted, but all the brightness kind of covered all the blood, which is fucking stupid, but yeah. Maybe I'll turn the brightness on my TV. I'll try and do that later. But, I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyway. I sure enjoyed making this video for you guys, especially Rick, man. Thanks for all the requests, man. Just try not to request so much videos, so much in the comments. Like, request one video request something in the comments, like do one comment on each video, because whenever you comment 2 or 3 or 4 in the comment section, it's hard to find those because they're just so I go to the eye doctor in a few days and my eyesight isn't that good, so I can't really read that much in the comments. When I get my computer fixed, I'll be able to read the comments better, so please bear with me. But yeah, so with that said, guys, thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you guys later. Bye bye.